guys, so we're gonna draw a harvest wagon.
Yeah, a happy harvest wagon. We hope you're gonna follow along. It's gonna be a lot of fun. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's start by drawing the wagon wheels. We're gonna draw a circle right here. And we'll draw another circle, we'll leave some space, and then draw another circle the same size over here. During the fall is harvest time, when we harvest all the crops and the farmers harvest their crops. And I thought it would be fun to celebrate fall by drawing this. Nice wheels. Now let's draw another circle inside for the wagon wheel and one over here. Then we can draw a smaller one for the center of the wheel. And then let's draw the spokes. I'm going to draw 2 lines for one spoke, and then we could do 2 lines directly below it for another one. And then we could draw, if you want, you could draw more spokes by adding 2 diagonal spokes going this way on the top and then also on the bottom. And then let's repeat that same step over here for this wheel. We can go a lot faster since we're repeating. And if you need extra time, you can always
pause the video.
Yeah. All right, now let's draw the wagon. We're going to start by drawing the bottom of the wagon. We're going to draw a straight line to connect 2 wheels together. And if you want, you could imagine that going between the spokes, but ultimately we want to come out on the other side too. So I'm going to imagine it going through. Maybe you can see it a little bit and then coming out the other side. Then let's draw the side of the wagon coming up on both sides. Then we're going to draw a line to connect those 2 sides together. Let's add some sunflowers to our wagon. I'm going to draw the center of the sunflower here, and then we can draw the little petals sticking out. And we can repeat that petal shape going all the way around the center of the sunflower until we get to the other side. I'm going to add another sunflower right here too. I also had to add one more flower right there in the corner. Now let's add the boards on our wagon. I'm going to draw another straight line that goes through and behind the sunflowers. I'm going to draw one here, going all the way across, and then I'm going to draw another one going all the way across. I like turning my paper sideways. Sometimes that helps draw a straight line. Then we also could draw little nails holding our wagon together. We have our wagon all done. Now we need to add the food inside. Let's start with a small little pumpkin in the front row. And then I'm going to draw a little stem sticking out. Let's add another little pumpkin right here. I'm going to draw the stem going the other direction. Let's add another pumpkin behind this one that's a little bigger. And a stem sticking out at the top of that one. Oh, let's add another sunflower. I'm going to draw a big one right here. We'll draw the petals coming around it. I'm going a lot faster. And the stem, I'm going to draw it coming down, but we'll also draw a big leaf sticking out of the wagon. Let's add another pumpkin over here on this side and the stem. And one big giant pumpkin in the center. Oh, we got to put a funny face on this one.
Yeah.
I'm going to draw a big stem curving around and back down. Yeah, we got to draw. I'm going to draw a happy face on this one. We added funny faces to all of our pumpkins. I think it looks better now. We also need to add corn. Let's add a cob of corn. I think that's how you call it, cob of corn. Corn on the cob right here sticking out. Let's draw the husk coming out to this side. And I crossed over so that the corn's kind of sticking out too. And then we can start here on the end and we'll curve down and then connect back to the corn. And then we'll do the same thing over here and then connect back down. We can draw little hairs sticking out of the top. We're going to add the kernels of our corn later, but we can add a funny face to our corn too. I'm going to repeat that same step. I'm going to draw another corn right here, and then the little leaves sticking out on each side, and the hair sticking up, and a face. I'm not sure about that face.
He looks angry.
Yeah, maybe a little angry. I'm also going to add another sunflower over here. And you guys can pause the video and take extra time to add more things to your Happy Harvest Wagon. You could add different vegetables. I'm going to add another corn on the cob right here. We also added the ground and a little pumpkin over here.
Yeah, I especially like the hat we added too.
Oh yeah, a little farmer hat.
Yeah.
Now we still need to
Color it.
Yes, this part will speed up, so remember to pause the video again and take time to color your drawings. Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our little harvest wagon and turned out awesome. I especially love this pumpkin. It looks like he's about to get ran over, but he's moving out of the way.
This one's my favorite because he looks like an alien.
Alien corn?
Yeah.
I like that too. You can pause the video right now to match our same coloring. You can also change the colors any way you want.
And you could add a background.
Yes, the background would finish the drawing perfectly.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a Happy Harvest Wagon.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.